Hey, what's good invALId? Welcome to a brand new the first vlog on the channel. And just before starting, I just want to ask that wait, if this thing isn't lit, then I don't know what is. Like, this is the best ticket I have. This is the best ticket I have ever seen. And that's the most random thing someone can do in the mirror. Wait, sorry. That's the most random thing someone is doing here. Wait. So I'm going to this other city, and I'm at the airport right now, if you haven't guessed already. And I don't even know if you guys can hear me or no, but I'm really nervous here. I don't know if you guys can hear me or no, but I'm really nervous here. I don't know if you guys can hear me or no, but I'm really nervous here. And I am so scared right now. I don't know why. I don't know. I have an hour right now before the flight, and I was bored. I had to kill an hour, like literally a whole hour. So I thought, why not do vlogging? I gave it a shot. I don't know if this will get uploaded or no. But many of you guys ask, why don't I? It's really hard to start your first vlog in a airport, but many of you guys ask me, why don't I show my face in my videos? Look, this is the reason. The reason are my pimples. That is the reason. And I don't know if you guys can hear me or no. I will be so angry. But I don't know what I'm doing. I can't sit an hour in the airport. Like, I have to move. It's just a small airport from the side I'm in. From the domestic side, it's a small airport. Like, it's really nothing here. But the ticket is literally so lit. But yeah, I don't know. I'm being the most random person here. Like, the most random thing one can do here. Maybe I'll go and ask some people to show them some magic. I've been here from about half an hour right now, and there's an hour left too. So wish me luck, and we'll see if this will get uploaded or no. So right now I've just boarded, and yeah, you can see cards in my hand. So you understood what I mean. But I met a really great guy who helped me kill the time. So he was a really wonderful guy. And speaking of that, there is a friend of mine named invALId. I'll leave his channel link down below. Make sure to go and check him out. Check him out. He's a great guy. So yeah, see you guys in the plane. So we are here next to the plane. So I'm gonna go on the small planet. So we have just landed, and it's freezing here in Riyadh. For me at least it's freezing. It's 18 degrees centigrade right now. and that's it for the video, guys. Remember to be awesome, stay awesome, let others be awesome too. And because karma, don't forget it, karma is awesome. It will hit you so hard if you'll be bad to others. So if you like the video and want me to do more vlogs, then please hit the thumbs up button and let me know in the comments down below, and share this video. I don't know, it's so freezing right now, I can't even speak. So, and bye, and I don't know what to say, bye. So I've lost my luggage, whatever it's called. So just wanted to say you guys that if you guys want me to ask, if you guys want me to do a Q&A, then please tell me. I'll do one if I'll get about, I don't know, 10 likes, maybe 10 questions maybe. Comment down the questions. Comment the questions down below. And I'm freezing here, so I can't even talk.